Hi everyone, it's Bill Nye, the Science Guy. I'm so excited to take you on this incredible journey today. Today, we're going on an adventure to learn about our amazing planet, Earth. It's a place full of wonders and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Earth is our home. It's a giant ball of rock and water floating in space. But it's not just any ball, it's a unique and special one. Earth orbits the Sun, a big star that gives us light and warmth. Without the Sun, life on Earth wouldn't be possible. The Sun's energy helps plants grow and keeps our planet warm. Earth is the only planet we know of that has life. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, our planet is teeming with life. Let's learn more about the incredible diversity of life on Earth and how everything is interconnected. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting exploration of our home planet.
Did you know that Earth spins like a top? We call this rotation. It takes 24 hours for Earth to make one full rotation, which is why we have day and night. Earth has layers like an onion. We live on the crust, the outermost layer. Earth is home to many different plants and animals. We call these ecosystems.
Earth is unique because it has a special blanket of air called the atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from harmful rays from the sun and helps us breathe. Earth also has a lot of water, which is essential for all living things. Water travels in a cycle, moving from the ground to the sky and back again. This is called the water cycle.
Let's embark on a fun and educational journey to make our own Earth model. This is a great activity for kids and adults alike, perfect for learning about our planet while having a blast. For this project, you will need a few simple materials: a balloon, blue and green paint, some paper, and glue. These items are easy to find and will help us create a beautiful representation of Earth. Step 1. Start by blowing up the balloon. This balloon will serve as the base of our Earth model. Make sure it's not too big or too small, just the right size to handle comfortably. Step 2. Next, it's time to get creative with paint. Use blue paint to cover most of the balloon, representing the vast oceans that cover our planet. Then, add patches of green paint to depict the continents and islands. Step 3. While the paint dries, cut out shapes from the paper to represent the continents. You can look at a map for reference or use your imagination. Once the shapes are ready, carefully glue them onto the painted balloon. And there you have it, your very own Earth model, a miniature version of our beautiful planet. Display it proudly, and remember the fun and learning that went into making it. Great job!
Let's see the water cycle in action. This simple experiment will help us understand how water moves through its cycle in nature. You will need a clear jar, water, food coloring, optional, plastic wrap, and a sunny window. These items will help us simulate the natural processes of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Step 1. Fill the jar halfway with water. This represents the bodies of water on Earth, like lakes, rivers, and oceans. Add a few drops of food coloring if you like. The food coloring will make it easier to see the changes happening in the water. Step 2. Cover the jar tightly with plastic wrap. This plastic wrap acts like the atmosphere, trapping the water vapor as it rises. Step 3. Place the jar in a sunny window. The sunlight will heat the water, causing it to evaporate. This is similar to how the sun heats water bodies on Earth, turning liquid water into water vapor. The water will evaporate, condense on the plastic wrap, and then fall back down like rain. This mimics the process of precipitation, where water vapor cools and condenses to form clouds, eventually falling back to Earth as rain. By observing this, we can see the entire water cycle in a small, controlled environment. It's a fascinating way to understand how essential and continuous this cycle is for life on our planet.
We've learned so much about Earth today. Remember to appreciate our planet and all its wonders. Keep exploring, asking questions, and never stop learning. Bye for now.